Hello, boys and girls. I am going to show you a couple of things about the amoeba shapes with the cross contour. A couple of you are having trouble understanding how to incorporate your lines. And let me show you. When you start with your circle, make sure that circle is touching the bottom edge. I can start a circle there. Then as you begin to radiate out your cross contour, you have to start back at this point. Go over to that point. Start again at this point, going over to that point. From this point to there. You have to sort of go up the side and then down the side for this to truly look like it's wrapping around. Okay, that is the correct way. The wrong way is to do this. That's incorrect. This is correct, and this one is incorrect. Okay? Again, you have to make sure that your curves wrap around this circle. Let's try it again right here. This time, I'm going to move my circle over here. Watch what happens. If I move my circle right here instead of the middle, I still have to loop it around, but start down here and go all the way down. Start way down here, come up and go down. Start way down and come up, okay? And watch what happens. Now take a look at it. This will look like it's coming out and coming back towards you because of the placement of that circle. Watch again. What if I put the circle over here? What do you think is going to happen? I'm going to turn my paper so that you can see. I'm going to start down here. I'm following the curvature of the circle, this that I drew, because that's the cross contour shape. And I know it looks like I'm just drawing curved lines from this point to this point, but I'm starting down here. And that's really important, is that you start low enough to go up. Now, look at the difference between these two shapes. They were exactly the same shape. The difference is where I place this beginning circle. Okay? So as we keep going, I have two choices over here. I can keep going like this. I can come over here, turn my paper, and do my circle, and start down here. Always start at this point where you left off and follow the side of your shape. Notice where my pencil begins, down here, and it ends over there. I'm going to show you two different examples of something. Again, I'm going to make sure it sits on that bottom edge and go around. Take your time with these. I'm going to go a little fast because I don't want this video to be too long. Start at the bottom and loop it around. And I can just continue these until now this looks like these little fingers are coming towards you. You see the tip of these fingers, right? On this one. Now watch, I'm going to do these bottom two kind of the same way that I did those, but watch what I'm going to do with the back edge, and watch how easy you can change the direction. So these are coming towards me because I can see the tip. These guys, see this bottom edge, this curve? I'm going to continue that curve. going up. So I can do a smiley curve. This is a smiley curve. And I'm going to do a smiley curve on this one following this shape. And I'll show you what we can do in there. I'm going to do the same thing here. Smiley curve. Be sure that you follow it along. It looks like I'm just doing a line from here to here. I'm not doing that. I am following along and making it curve. You gotta make it curve. On these, let's continue this one going this way, this one going this way, this one is going to come all the way in. Now let's look at the difference between those two. Look at the difference. These two look like they're coming towards you. These two look like they're going away from you, all because of the way that I drew my curve. So you have a choice between doing them all with your circles coming towards you and some coming towards you and some going away from you. Play with them, experiment with how you're going to do some, but I want at least 2 to 3 done correctly before you move to your marker ones, okay? Good luck. If you have any other questions, be sure to email me or drop in anytime to live sessions. Thanks.